Or just get another half a pancake on the frickin' thing.
Let's blow on it. A little more than a cup. Okay. I can't do this.
So now that we just wasted 3 pancakes, I think it's safe to say that we should move to turkey. Turkey, take it away.
Anyway.
No, I need to go.
Here, I'll take it away.
Turkey. Look at the smell.
Or the smell, like pancakes.
Okay, Kira, that's gonna go in that thing, and then we won't have a cup anymore, okay? So, stop.
What are you talking about?
Oh my god, okay, see this?
Yeah?
We have exactly a cup in there. If you put this in there,
I'm not.
we won't have a cup anymore. Right?
Putting a handprint in it.
Scarred. How many nonconformist kids does it take to put pancakes in?
Okay, that had a handprint in it. Film it. Can you tell the handprint?
Yeah, you can. Nice. Oh, better. Okay. Now we have 2 cups, and we're gonna pour the tap water in there. Dude, it's wicked early. Oh.
Look at this specimen of like ale.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it over to Kira.
Oh, jeez.
I can't believe I just said that.
My head is soft, so bad.
I'll clean this up.
No, just making it.
That's like the shit they put in like latex gloves.
Because my mom said I'm not killing.
Yeah, okay. What do I use to mix this? What was this?
I was okay.
Can I use the Kool-Aid spoon?
No.
Okay.
Are you kidding me? We'll be making like so many Jane Cook references with that, it's like not even possible.
Here we go. This is like a
You can't do that! There's a hole in the middle.
hole. Okay, it's a little bit too big, turkey. What's too big? That's Here.
And then it's gonna like clump to it.